There are seasons in marriage when silence replaces laughter and distance grows where closeness once lived. Small disagreements turn into long-standing tension, and unmet expectations begin to harden the heart. You may still share a home, yet feel emotionally far apart, wondering if things can ever be restored. Losing hope often happens quietly, one disappointment at a time. In moments like this, the reminder found in Ecclesiastes 4 verse 12 brings perspective. A cord of 3 strands is not quickly broken. Marriage was never meant to survive on human strength alone. When God remains at the center, even strained relationships can find renewed stability and direction. There is also wisdom in 1 Corinthians 13, verse 7. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. This kind of love isn't passive, it's resilient. It chooses patience when emotions are raw, and perseverance when restoration feels slow. And when discouragement begins to whisper that change is impossible, remember Malachi 2, verse 16. So be on your guard, and do not be unfaithful. God values commitment deeply and calls hearts back to faithfulness, not as a burden, but as a path toward healing and renewal. Bring your marriage to Jesus. Tell him about the pain, the misunderstandings, and the moments you felt alone. Ask him to soften hearts, restore communication, and rebuild trust where it has been damaged. Jesus specializes in renewal, even when hope feels fragile. If your marriage feels weary today, pause and pray. Jesus, teach us how to love again. You may discover that restoration often begins with a willing heart and a faithful God.